What if building a perfectly balanced, diversified investment portfolio was as easy as ordering a slice of your favorite dessert? For years, successful investing seemed reserved for those who could spend hours researching stocks, manually rebalancing, and paying high management fees. It was complex, time-consuming, and often intimidating. But today, we're sharing the real stories of investors who found their secret ingredient to wealth building with M1 Pies. If you're new to M1 Finance, a pie is essentially your custom-built investment portfolio. It's a visually structured way to organize your investments, where each stock, ETF, or fund is a slice, and you assign a target percentage to each one. The success of M1 Pies boils down to three powerful elements: customization, automation, and simplicity. First, let's talk about customization. Take Brenda O. in Texas. Brenda was frustrated with other platforms that gave her pre-selected, one-size-fits-all portfolios. With M1 Pies, she created a portfolio that mirrored her exact vision, a blend of big tech, upcoming companies, and solid Fortune 500 stocks. She decided the allocations, set the percentages, and essentially became her own fund manager. The pie structure gave her the freedom and specificity she couldn't find anywhere else. Next up is automation. This is the key to effortless growth. The beauty of the pie is its set-it-and-forget-it nature. As you deposit new money, M1's automation steps in. It intelligently buys the slices that are underweight, the ones that have fallen below your target percentage, automatically rebalancing your portfolio. This effortless dollar-cost averaging and automated balancing helped investors like Alex G. in New York stay disciplined. He confessed to previously dreading monthly trades, but the automatic rebalancing feature transformed his approach, allowing him to focus on passive income and long-term financial independence. Finally, there's simplicity. For many investors, like Vikram, M1 becomes an all-in-one financial hub. When Vikram needed a low-cost loan to finance his wedding, he used an M1 margin loan, borrowing against his existing portfolio, the pie he had already built, instead of draining his investments or taking out a high-interest traditional loan. The pie wasn't just a portfolio, it was a flexible financial tool. It simplifies not just investing, but also borrowing and cash management, all from one place. M1 Pies provide the structure, the automation, and the custom control that gives modern investors a genuine edge. Whether you choose an expert pie built by financial professionals or bake your own custom one, the result is a clear, powerful strategy for building wealth over time. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.